Hello viewers, today I will talk about GoPro Hero 8 Black. As you all know, GoPro Hero 8 Black has become more demanding in recent times. It's a wonderful action camera. However, this video is not sponsored and we are not getting any commission from this video. I have been waiting for a week for the shipment of this camera. Finally, I have got this camera. Now I will unbox the camera and set some features. Before unboxing GoPro Hero 8 Black, let's go over some of the features of this camera. It has 12 megapixel camera, Hyper Smooth 2.0, time wrap is 2.0, then it has light burst and super photo plus HDR. We can take photos under the water. It's up to 33 feet. Then it has GPS system. Some of the accessories are camera, battery, buckle mount, thumb screw, sticky mount and USB cable. Now we are going to unbox the camera. This is how the camera look like. The first thing we need to remove is thumb screw. We need to remove this one. So the thumb screw look like this. We need to remove the buckle mount. This is the 2 inches camera. Then we need to remove the plastic around the buckle mount. Let's do it. Then throw it out. Then there is a mount. If anyone want to use their self mount, they can use it. Otherwise just throw it. This top part is only for shipping purpose. If anyone doesn't need this one, that could be thrown away. Let's see what we have in the box. Some of the accessories. So in the box it has USB charging cables, then sticky mount, then one battery. This battery is for GoPro Hero 8, but any batteries from Hero 6 or 7 would work in Hero 8. Let's look at the camera first. Very important thing is the lens is not removable. So any kind of damage or scratch, it would be an issue. And in that situation we have to replace it, and it's costly as well. With other versions, GoPro has frames. But this time with GoPro 8 there is no external frame and we have to put the finger mount over here. If we need this one, then we can use this. Because of putting finger mounts, this time GoPro has relocated the position for the battery. It's over here. We can pull it out. It shows red mark, which also indicates that it's a reminder when we are shooting underwater. We need to make sure that this position is closed like this. While we are opening the battery slot, we see not only battery slot, but it has memory card port and also charging port. So all of these three are in one window. Now I am putting the battery. We have an additional battery. As we know, GoPro battery lasts for 45 minutes. So we plan to take another one so that it can cover our all video things. Then we have a memory card which is 128 GB. We think that for video blogging 128 GB would be well enough. If anyone is using the USB port for charging the battery, then it's a problem. So what he can do, he can remove the door. You may think that outside of this camera is rubber coating, but it's not. Other materials are used for this. It's a sticky mount. We can put the camera on this. Also there is a box. It's also sticky mount. Now we can press the power button. We see GoPro. Now the language we would select is English, but if you are comfortable with other languages, you can also choose. Now the legal stuff. We should obviously select agree. GPS stuff, we can select on. Now it's time to install GoPro app in our mobile phone. As you can see in the camera, it shows GoPro app. So we have to install GoPro app. Now in the mobile phone, we would go to App Store. In the search button, we would type GoPro app. We would see a lot of options coming, but we would choose GoPro app. Now get it. So you see GoPro app is downloading. Now the app is installed. Now we can open the app. We see the logo. It's asking for consent. Okay. Bluetooth option. Okay. Terms of use. Agree. I agree. Allow notification. We need it. Allow. Next. Again next. Connect and control your GoPro. Connect. Now we see the screen for Hero 8 Black is connected. Change camera name option. You can change by your name or whatever you like. Let's go with Hero 8 Black. Done. Save new name. As you can see, we are on photo mode. So in photo mode there are different options. You can choose any of this. It's now standard. There are other options. We can slide, then choose HDR, then super photo, and at the bottom raw. So we can choose any of this. I would choose standard one. Other than photo option, we would see other two options. One is video and the other one is time lapse. While we are on the video mode, we see a snail, which is the sign of slow-mo. After that, there is an option to set the resolution and frame. There are different options: standard, activity, cinematic, and slow-mo. You can choose any of this. For charging, we have to open the battery slot. It's right here. Then the USB cable would go to the right slot. It's like this. Then the red light shows up. It's something like it's charging. In both sides you would find red lights. So this is the end of today's GoPro Hero 8 Black unboxing and setup video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and if you have any recommendation, please leave them down below in comment section. See you in my next video.